What gives you more happiness? A success of 75 crores of Satyamev Jayate, or the fact that the promo of Gully Guliyan is getting a fabulous response?
Manoj Bajpayee does a Gully Guliyan if he does have a market strength. Films like Gully Guliyan or Aligarh will only be possible if these actors who are part of these films are somewhere have the strength of some box office return. A success of Satyamev Jayate, it gives a lot of bargaining power to the maker.
Well, it's wonderful to have an actor who always surprises. The amount of energy that he exudes each time that we interview him is so exciting, because he's so excited about every film that he does. Manoj Bajpayee, pleasure having you back on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you very much.
And congratulations for the success of Satyamev Jayate.
Thank you.
And so what gives you more happiness? A success of 75 crores of Satyamev Jayate, or the fact that the promo of Gully Guliyan is getting a fabulous response? It has done so well in terms of internationally in various film festivals. What gives you bigger happiness?
See, both of them are interconnected.
Right.
You will completely falter if you try to separate both of them. Because Manoj Bajpayee does a Gully Guliyan if he does have a market strength, if he does have a trust in the market, But if the market starts trusting Manoj Bajpayee as a name, as somebody who is who is dependable, then Manoj Bajpayee goes ahead and experiment with a film like Gully Guliyan, and then I push these films completely with all the contacts in the market, and market is ready to support them, because somewhere market knows that this guy has given these many has been part of these many hit films, these many super successful films like Baghi or Satyamev Jayate. He is bound to get us that kind of a recovery, though it's a small budget film. It's not a huge budget film like Satyamev Jayate.
Obviously.
But Gully Guliyan, with that kind of a budget, it gives them a kind of a belief that if he can carry off that kind of a film, that kind of a huge budget film, he can definitely carry off a small budget film like Gully Guliyan. Market thinks that way. As far as audience is concerned, I want to give them content. I want to be known as somebody who has pushed content all his life. Even though he has done commercial films like Satyamev Jayate, I have never looked down upon commercial films. What I always try to stay away from is the pure formula. Now the mainstream is also coming up with content-driven cinema, content-driven stories. They are also trying to put a lot of stories, lot of realism into their own so-called formula, which is good. That's a great change. That's a great change, and this is what we want. I would love to see each and every filmmaker, will be if they try to be as truthful to their films as say Dangal. Dangal I have seen twice. And every time I got moved by the story, though it's the story of a triumph, it's the story of an underdog, eventually becoming a winner. But in that parameter, you are saying something different. You are showcasing something that we've never seen. You are showcasing a story which is based on real life, though, but at the same you are saying it differently in the same parameter. I like it.
How do you look at maybe artists at times who feel that each time that we do a film, it has to be for a purpose, and it should meet certain artistic parameters and sensibilities, because as we were discussing off camera a short while back, there's someone like Mr. Bachchan who's having a pedigree and his entire literary background that he is having. But the fact is that he has never shied away from doing a hardcore commercial film, and he has done it with a lot of belief. And he has been criticized for that as well, very harshly by purists, that Harivansh Rai Bachchan's ka beta jo hai wo ye kar raha hai. How do you look at it? It's a thin line in terms of that कि मैं करूँ कि नहीं करूँ, to be or not to do or not to be. Is it something that bothers you? Do you think about like say बागी 2 के लिए अगर आपको criticize किया जाता है या फिर सत्यमेव जयते का उतना कोई बहुत great critical response नहीं होता है? Does it bother you? Do you anticipate about that?
No, see, people who you know, who somewhere, you know, the critics who are wary of films like Satyamev Jayate, they should also understand that films like Gali Guliyan or Aligarh will only be possible if you know, these actors who are part of these films are somewhere have the strength of some box office return. It is very it is quite essential. Otherwise, you know, you are always, you know, looking for digital release, and the digital platform, whatever people may say, you know, it doesn't give you that kind of a return for a film. You are not in a position to bargain with them for a film like Gali Guliyan. If a success of Satyamev Jayate, it gives lot of bargaining power to the maker of Gali Guliyan. Apart from the fact that it has gone to 23 international film festivals, it has garnered lot of admiration and accolades and won so many awards. But at the end of the day, if the actor of Gali Guliyan, main actor of Gali Guliyan, has a track record of few successes on the box office, you get a lot of bargaining power. You get a lot of support from the market, which is very, very important. And as far as Mr. Bachchan is concerned, that is one element that, you know, every actor should learn from him.
Right.
That once he says yes to a commercial film, he does it with so much of believability. You never see an iota of apology on his face. Never. He does it with loads of conviction. And that believability and the conviction, you know, these are the elements that have, you know, that have really moved lakhs and crores of audience since so many years.
Right.
So you really can't take it away from him.
Definitely.